This open access book is available for free. You can download it from Springer webpage. At the beginning of the book, you will find QR codes to download the application. It is available in both the Play Store and the App Store. Scan QR codes from the book and experience more. You can see the operation of the device in 3D and disassemble it into individual components.
Locating parts of the type of long cylinders is implemented as follows. First, the part is located on the outer cylindrical surface.
This book was prepared within the project Digitalization in Mechanical Engineering, funded by the Polish National Agency for Academic Exchange, and implemented at the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering of the Poznan University of Technology.